Mm. Wow, so delicious. All the taste in one bite. Spicy, sour, sweet, salty, and the sausage is so tender. Out of the world. I can't wait to eat. Hi, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. It's raining now. Can you hear the rain? It's very cozy. In this video, I'm going to make pork sausage salad. In Thai, we call this dish as yam hmu. I have got one hmu or the pork sausage from Thailand, and these are the ingredients. I will use half of the yellow onion. Wow, that's thunder. One tomato, spring onions, Chinese parsley. So this is chili padi or the bird eye chili and garlic. Groundnut, roasted groundnut, one chili cut for garnishings, half teaspoon of salt. This is the 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. This is a dry shrimp, dry prawn, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the pork sausage and then need to cook this first. So this is how it looks like, the pork sausage. How I cut this, I'm going to cut it into half. And then make it thin slices, just like that. That was sliding. So I have the hot boiling water here, and I can just pour this inside. When all the sausage float up, that is done already. So I'm going to fish it out now. Okay, I'm going to leave it here. Just let it drain out the water while I prepare the other ingredients. Okay, what I'm going to do is, for this chili, I'm going to use the pounder to pound it. So, just like that. Make it a bit flaky. Alright. I got the chili here, so I need to chop the dry prawn. Okay, so for this one, we're going to put all the ingredients in here. Sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, fish sauce, salt, sugar, lime juice. Okay, so we just mix well. Alright, this is the sauce, so I need to taste the sauce. How it is. Wow, spicy, sour, sweet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the onions. I will just use half only. Cut into very thin slices. So we will put it in the mixing bowl. And this is my pork. It's already drained, so I'm going to put it inside as well. Cutting the Chinese parsley, so I don't want the roots, I just take it out. To a smaller, about half an inch. In the mixing bowl. Tomato. So we put all inside, and the spring onion. I will not be using this part. Spring onion is where we cut into about half an inch. Okay, that's all I will use. Alright, we are done cutting, so I'm going to mix it now. All this, the sauce that we make just now, just pour over. And the dry prawns, roasted groundnut, chili. Then we can mix. Wow, this is really yummy. It's so simple to prepare this, like a fast food. Let me try. Wow, so delicious. Got all the taste in one bite. Spicy, sour, sweet, salty, and the sausage is so tender. Out of the world. I can't wait to eat.